Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. So guys, this is what you are going to create. You are going to design this beautiful church flyer in Photoshop. So Control N on your keyboard to open a new this panel and then set up the size. So you are just writing the names. In case your names or you write the title, if the title is different from mine, then just write any name at all over there. And we are using the paper size A6. Yes, A6 size paper, and everything is okay. The landscape, we set it on portrait, then resolution, and everything is okay. So you click on create, and we are working with the background. So I drag the first details, that is all the details that I'll be using to create the flyer, which is the background, and then I drag it and then drop it in Photoshop, and I hold Alt to and then hold the edge and then scale it up, yes, to cover the entire screen. Yes, hold it and then cover it to cover the entire screen. Then you right click and then you set it to, you right click and then you rasterize type and then go and set the blur. So filter, you go to blur, then Gaussian blur, and set it to maybe 40, depending on however you want it. If yours is too much, then you can reduce it. So you quickly look, I'll quickly look for the next item, which is the background, and then I drag it into it. So that's why you are seeing me going through my resources file, and then I have this one. I drag it nicely and then hold it Alt and then scale it up to cover the entire screen. And then I set the blending mode to a soft light. Yes, go through the blending mode. Sometimes your blending mode might be different from mine. So mine, I think soft light was okay, or screen was okay. So if it's okay, that is all. Then you put all in a group. Okay, so now we added a color lookup. Yes, we added a color lookup, and if you don't have a color lookup, I have shared it on my Telegram channel. Kindly join the platform and then download, extract, and then install it. So we added a color lookup and then realized that everything is okay. Yes, a color lookup has been added. Then we merge everything together and Control G, and then we title it as a background. Yes, so this is our background, which is being set nicely, and everything is set. So the next thing is that we are going to bring the church logo. So I have this church logo, 11th Hour Prophetic Ministry is a social media handle logo. So I have it, I drag it into it, and then you realize that the text is in blue. So I needed to cut part of the text away, or cut the text separately and then title or make it white. So I just cut that part and then double click at the edge and then change the color layout to the color white. Yes, change it and then go here and then change it to color white, thereby it communicates well. So after that, put that two in a group and then name it the church logo, or a church logo, or you can name it logo. Then after that, you resize it to fit in however your guides are. Okay, so just make sure it's nice over there, and then it communicates well. Sometimes however you position your details doesn't communicate well. So once that is okay, then the rest of the details will follow, which is the title, the images, and so on and so forth. So we drag the first image and drop it in Photoshop. And this is one question in which a lot of people have been asking. Say, please, we want to learn how you always do your image, how you always work on your image for the image to be popping and for image to be very nice and handsome or very attractive over there, or they like the texture and other things. I've been using Topaz Lab. Yes, I've been using Topaz Lab, a lot of them. Okay, you can use the Topaz Lab AI or the Topaz plugin itself. All these things are ways and means whereby you can brighten or you can enhance the image. Or if you want to use the applications, which is the Remini app, yes, that also makes sure that the image is being enhanced. And yes, a lot of them, Skin Finder, Beauty Retouch Academy, all those things are okay. So the image is set, then we have done what we have to do. Then the Topaz Lab, we just go to filter, then go to Topaz, and then you just come here and realize that once you click on it, it's changing. Yes, these are the previews. So the one you like, you click on it, okay, and then that is it. And I think I I have to blur some part of the image and then be on the keyboard to activate the brush tool, then change the details and then clear the unwanted part away, and boom, the image part is done. So you on the keyboard to draw a rectangle peacefully or nicely this way, and then change the color to color yellow. Yes, make sure it's a deep yellow, not the light yellow. Okay, change the color to color yellow and make sure that at least it's or change it to any of your colors choice. So I have some of the colors over there, and I think this one communicates well. And we are going to tilt part of the shape. Okay, you are going to tilt part of the shape, which is the right, the left side. Sorry, the right side, the top left side, and click on that side and write 100 over there. And that condition, that side of the shape is tilted or is curved, and that is what we are looking for. Okay, or you can follow along. Yes, follow along in case what I'm saying you don't get it. Just follow along. And that one we start working on the theme. Yes, a half night service. So half night. So just write the text and then rearrange everything. So scale it up, and I think we are still we work on the text and then the name, the details, everything that you need to add. And guys, that is it. Please subscribe to this channel, like, share. This channel has come to stay. Okay, this channel has come to stay, and a lot of things are happening. People are just downloading the PSD file for free without even saying thank you and without even watching it. This is the sad aspect of my whole design career. And guys, if you are a fan of doing that to me, please, once again, this one I am begging you, stop downloading them. Or even if you download, at least you can watch the first 10 minutes. Okay, you can watch the first 10 minutes. After that you can download, because if you come to the channel and you keep downloading the videos without watching them, a lot of people they'll come and download without watching them, and then they take it away, they go and look at everything and then practice without even coming back to the channel to come and say thank you. Please, if you are doing that to me, you are hurting the channel. We have about getting to 3K subscribers now, and our watch hours is like less than 100. Our watch hours is less than 100. But a lot of people have been contacting me, say we have been watching your tutorials, say we have been watching your videos, and we don't see the password. I've watched 3 times, I've watched 4 times, and there is no password. Please, all these things are, in fact, I don't understand. But the only thing that you can do for me is that at least you just watch the first 10 minutes of the video before you download it, and then go and do whatever you want to do with it. In so doing, at least you are helping the channel to grow a bit. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel, like and share. And a lot of people too always tells me that, when they watch the tutorials, they don't see the password. Yes, I always tell you that there are so many ways I used to generate my password. One, either it's a system generated. When you watch the full video, it will generate it by itself. The password will generate by itself when you are watching. Okay, this is the first part. Second part is either I will generate it and then put it in the video, that is, it will appear on your screen, or I will mention the password in the video. So these are the 3 main ways whereby I used to share my password. And the last one, that is the 4th one, whereby sometimes if I post it, I share the password on our platform, the WhatsApp channel platform, that sometimes we also share the password over there. Yes, so these are basically 4 ways whereby you can use to get my password. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel, like and share. And if you subscribe again, click on the notification bell icon and then click it for all session. Okay, click it for all session. In so doing, if I post any video on this channel, you will be the first person to get it and then practice it and put it on your social media handle. Especially, in fact, if you are a beginner over here, I recommend this channel to you. Okay, I have a graphic design class both for smartphone and for Photoshop users. Okay, so just go through the channel, go through my playlist, watch a lot of the videos, practice them, and then send it to me, or you can even put it on a platform for us to comment on it for you. Okay, when we also started, we were not perfect like that, but through learning, constant learning and constant practicing, now we can also create awesome flyers and designs, and basically we are also creating some for sale and other things. So you can also do it, you can make it, and you can also achieve, you can start something. If you don't have the money or the resources to acquire or to purchase a laptop, you can start with your smartphone. I believe smartphone, you are using smartphone, you can start with it, and trust me, in the next 1 year, 2 years, you will be a master graphic designer. Okay, you'll be a master graphic designer within a short period, maybe 3 months, 4 months. When you are practicing constantly, 3 months, 4 months, yeah, you can start designing flyers, logos, birthday flyers and other things, and sell them on your social media handles. Yes, you can start designing them. So please subscribe to this channel, like, share. If you are a beginner, just come and comment, and then, or you can follow most of the link or the link under the description, and then join the WhatsApp platform, and let's learn over there. Okay, if you're a beginner, in fact, if you're a beginner, DM me now, and let's learn more. Okay, I have a lot of videos coming up, and these are some, in most cases, or in most of my previous videos, I show some of the upcoming flyers, and I realize that a lot of people will see it, and then they'll also quickly go and design it, and then run a tutorial on it and post it. So I have stopped showing those details, so that people don't steal from your idea, or people don't steal your idea directly because you were late in posting. So it will pretend as if they were the first people to design such flyer, but it's not so. So please subscribe to this channel, like, share, and as you are seeing, we are working on the date and the time. So you just write the time as 1800. So 1800, if you are in Ghana, it's about 6 o'clock p.m. So 1800 prompt. We created a rectangle shape underneath it, and then we are writing the details on it. So you center and align. Okay, you center and align, and if everything is okay, you can put it in a group. Okay, and then name it. If it's a date and time, then you name it nicely like that. Okay, all right. Okay, so sorry, these are some of the spamming people who normally add you on your, or add your contact on what do you call it, Telegram, and then they'll be posting unnecessary informations on it, information that are not relevant to you. They will just add your number every day. I remove myself from a lot of platforms, a platform whereby I didn't request to join, but they will rather add you. You go and then delete yourself from it, but still they'll go ahead and add you again. So you go to a point in time, you even just get fed up without deleting yourself. So they keep sending spamming message and other things. So if you see it, just ignore it. Okay, so we are just making sure we enhance the second image, because we have worked on the first image, and the same procedure we used to work on the first image is the same procedure we are using to work on the second image, and we make sure that everything is okay. So Topaz is being applied, and that is it, as you are seeing. So if it's okay for you, just click on it, and boom. I always like their preset. With Topaz Lab, you can also import your preset details over there, but I always prefer their own presets. In the coming weeks or in the coming days, I will teach you how you can also create your own preset or action point and add it in the Topaz. Okay, and if you don't have Topaz too, I've shared it. Okay, Topaz, a lot of people are selling the Topaz plugin, and I hope you know that. But I'm the only graphic designer in the world in which I will give it to you for free. And you know that there are a lot of the content creators, the graphic design content creators, when you look at or when you watch their videos, they'll tell you that the Topaz Lab, they are selling it at $32. And $32 is not a small amount of money. When it comes to my area, or when it comes to Ghana, $32 is quite expensive. And why do you go and buy a software or something in which you can get it free from my side? Those people you are watching and you are buying from them, but if I tell you I'm giving it to you for free. All you need to do is at least watch first 10 minutes of my video and comment for me. That one is, you are like, and it's creating a problem. Please, if choose from these two options, whether you go and buy it at $32 or $50 or $20, done, or watching from my side, just get a password and use the password to extract it and use it for free without paying this huge amount of money. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know your idea in the comment section. If you prefer buying it direct or watching the first 10 minutes of the video to get the password, use the password to or use the password and then the link provided to download it and the password to extract it, install it and use it for free. Which one do you prefer? Let me know your options, or let me know your idea, let me know your comments in the comment section below. And once again, subscribe to this channel, like, share. So as you are seeing, we are creating the image, or the names for the second image, and we are centering it. So we make sure that everything is in center because we brought a guide, and we make sure that things does not go overboard. That is why we brought the guide, to make sure that we don't certain things don't exceed certain boundaries. So as you are seeing, okay, so almost the design is done. The design is almost done. So we are just changing fonts and making sure that everything is in line. That's all. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel, like, share. I'll see you in a comment or in the next video. Until then, I love you. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.